I'm turbulent and you are cool. You watch me smile and dance like a fool. But I don't care, 'cause you do like me.
Everybody has OCD, especially when it comes to cables. We like cables to be tidy, clean, organized, and put in places where they belong to. What if you don't need a cable to charge your devices? Introducing No Cable, the best portable wireless charging station designed for your new iPhone. No more stumbling over the cables, no more endless waiting to start up your dead phone. Just put, charge, and go. No Cable is compatible with any device that meets Qi standards. Whether you're using an iPhone, Samsung, or Google, No Cable always keeps your devices fully charged. Connect No Cable with the power supply and leave your phone on it. No Cable charges your phone while it's getting charged itself. The premium casing material makes No Cable light, durable, and easy to carry. It also features 2 USB ports that allows you to charge other 2 devices while charging your phone wirelessly. Imagine a perfect day with No Cable. Wake up in the morning and throw No Cable in your bag. Use your phone throughout your day to work, talk, and play, and never worry about getting a drained battery. Leave those messy cables at home and free up some space in your luggage for things you really need. No Cable is all you need for work, play, and travel.
Imagine a world where robots are a part of our daily lives, not just building cars or doing chores, but protecting our homes and keeping us connected with our loved ones. At Aevena, we've made this a reality. This is Air, the flying robot for the home. By hiding its propulsion system inside its body, we created Air specifically to work indoors and around people. With its sleek shape and fabric exterior, it fits perfectly in your home. We've made it safe enough to be around your kids, yet quiet enough not to bother you. Air is safe and easy for anyone to fly. Its many cameras and advanced computer vision let it navigate anywhere in your home. Using the app interface, simply give it a general direction and it will automatically avoid any obstacles in its way. With its cloud connectivity, you can virtually visit your home from anywhere in the world. Air can take immersive 360-degree photos showing you every detail of the room it's in. Air can stream live video, and with the ability to fly anywhere, Air lets you actively join in on family moments like never before. And with its video recording capability, you can relive those moments anytime. Air doesn't just live in your smart home, it elevates it. With Alexa integration, Air follows your voice commands. Hey Alexa, tell Air to take a photo and post it to Facebook.
3, 2, 1, say cheese.
Air can protect your home without compromising your privacy. While your existing products only notify you that something has happened, Air lets you see exactly what's going on with no more blind spots. It gives you the ability to be there anytime, anywhere. Air is the missing link for your smart home. So whether you're checking in on your loved ones or just your house, Air is there every step of the way. Just imagine everything Air will be able to do for you. Imagine a future with Air today.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would want other great videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, subscribe to our channel at Brit School and click the bell notification icon so you can stay updated on upcoming videos. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn at Brit School, or visit us at britschool.com. Have a great time and keep smashing it. Bye.